What's up, folk? How you doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Chapter number 5, capítulo número 5, galera. Aqui no cidade de Maringá, the interior of the state of Paraná. Yes, for all of you people, Enrique Morris YouTube channel. If you don't know me, I am the guy who delivers nature shots with drones and all the cameras to deliver the good energy for all of you. All right, so let's see if I can take some shots, you know, of that place, this beautiful cathedral. It's a very stunning, you know, architectic, you know, creation, you know. So can't wait to deploy my drone and see what's going to happen. All right. incredible structure in outside with shot drones, you know, and the terrestrial camera. I try to do my best for all of you guys. Let me know in the comment, what do you think about this place? If you live here in the city of Maringá, you know something else different, just let me know about it, you know, with the comments. I will appreciate it, right? And I gotta say thank you for all the support, you know, for the people in Brazil, all over the world as well. Chapter number 5, okay guys, stay tuned because there's more coming. I don't know what is coming. I'm just going around, keep discovering and discovering more places for all of you, and I share the good things, you know, to everyone. So don't forget to subscribe, you know, and stay tuned for more. Until the next time, ciao. Let's see. All right. You gotta have faith, guys. You see, miracle exists. We got battery. Let's keep going.